Okay, final game po tayo ngayon. Before that, intro muna po tayo. This is your Dog Friendly League. DAP as a Tito and Titas League po yan. And feature of our team sponsors. Yan po yung Team LBC, Haring Padala and Thread Needles. And sama po natin po ang SBB Pilipinas. And of course, PSBQ Basketball League. Tuesday nights po yan po sa Perling Season International in Doha. Featuring the final game for the day between Airport United versus Boleros. Ayan na. Boleros versus Airport United. Ingat po boss, ingat pera, ingat po. Okay, the team clad in white, yan po ang Airport United versus ang Green Boys is the Boleros, wearing the Los Hermanos muna. Pansamantala nga, Los Hermanos, tawag din Los Hermanos uniform. Ang team Boleros. Or playing the dark. Salud. Naku na yung bola. Soriano. Salud. Wala. Nice rebound. Nice rebound. Number 19. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by Salud. Top from Mr. Chudelax. Number 77. Chudelax, nice entry pass pero merong sayang lang na check po ang pasa ni Chudelax. Nice entry pass sana. Again, number 30 for 3. Malakas, Chudelax ang rebound. Kick out again kay Jomoran. Soliano. Jomoran, 3-second violation. Salud, 3-second violation. Tinawag sa kanya. Balik muli po sa Hermanos ang bola. Wala pa rin po score both teams. Boleros now. Boleros now. Boleros. Hermanos. Boleros. Nice passing lane. Pops up. 3 points ang binanatan. Number 5, 3 points. SG. Jomran. Salud. Jomran intercepted. Number 15. Pops up. Nope. Chodilac sa rebound. Jomran. SG number 4. Intercepted to Chodilac. Chodilac pops up. Nope. Wala pa. Malimit po sila. Number 5. Lope. Number 19. Against Chodilac. Malakas. Salud. Naka-rebound. SG again. On the run po ang Team White. Salud. 2 points Salud. 2 points. 2 points Salud. Lamang. 3-2 po. Lamang pa rin po ng isa ang Team Boleros. Number 10. Number 13. Number 11. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound sa Salud. Soliano, naiwan ng bola, pansamantala. SG to Jomran, thinking 3, pops up. Nope. Number 11 against Chodilac and Jomran. Malakas. Jomran now. Chodilac on the run. Chodilac. SG, kick out kay SG, pops up for 3. Nope, Chudelax, rebound, battle, won by number 10. Number 5. Alam ko na di lang magano. Yung pangating kwarto naman. Number 5, pops up again. Nope. Pagod na rin ako. Salud! Walang pinasahan. Out of bounds. Still, both teams scoreless for the last 3 minutes of the ball game. Nagsusukatan pa yata. Okay, number 15. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Time out. Official. Brownot. Okay, bilangon. Okay, back to the ball game. Bully po tayo ngayon. Para tabi-tabi. Big man. Tabi-tabi na tayo.
Ha?
Tabi-tabi na.
Sige, wala na eh.
Sige.
Ayan, may scorer pala eh.
Sa likod to.
4-3, okay lang siya.
Okay. Sige, wala.
Number 13.
Okay.
Pass to number 15. Number 8. To number 13 again. Number 13.
Nope.
Wala. Rebound by number 7.
Chudelax, binababa ang bola. Melvin, pinalpal. Palpal kay Melvin. Chudelax.
Pass to number
Munoz.
15.
Nope. Rebound kay Grama. Melvin. Wala pa rin.
4 minutes and 15 seconds.
4 minutes, 15 seconds remaining.
Number 13.
Number 13.
Number 19.
Number 19, Kapos pa rin. And Chudelax sa rebound. Nice rebound by Chudelax. Serbian kasi Serbian daw. Serb. Chudelax.
3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Coster pops up. No!
No good.
And same ball. White ball. White ball po tayo. White ball. Sabi nila, white ball. Baka yung fuse yan, sir? Baka yung fuse. May fuse yan eh.
Oh.
Intercepted almost again.
Number 14.
Melvin. Wala pa rin. Nice hustle by Chudelax.
Number 4.
Drama. Malakas. Rattled out.
Number 13.
Number 13.
Number
8. 2 points, number 8.
5-4 ang ating score.
The score is 5-4. Laman po ang team Boleros.
3 minutes.
SG. Coster. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya. Coster to Melvin. Melvin! Wala pa rin. Coster sa ilalim. Chudelax. Pops up. Malakas. Number 19. Binababa. Nice. Number 19. 2 points, number 19. Easy 2 by number 19.
7-4 ang ating score.
7-4. 7-4. Lamang pumuli po ang Team Boleros ng 3. Chudelax driving strong. 2 points Chudelax. 7-6. 6-7. Lamang pa rin po ng Team Boleros po.
2 minutes and 15 seconds.
Wala po tayong scoreboard ngayon dahil kasi medyo nagkaroon lang ng sinumpong scoreboard po natin. Di ata binabate. And may foul po kagad. Foul number 4. Number 19 shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Basket made. Grama. Costa for 3. Nope. Rebound by Chudelax to Munoz. Tapos. Nice rebound by Chudelax.
1 minute.
A minute remaining. Melvin, binabantayan. Ang Boleros, pops up si number 19. No good. Chudelax sa rebound. Chudelax now bring down the ball. Chudelax. Munoz. Melvin, pops up. Yun! Sweet spot ni Melvin. Pumapasok na rin. Si Mr. Bordring Melvin.
Deadlock ang ating score.
Deadlock po tayo. 8 tablados po tayo. First deadlock of the ball
1
game.
minute, 15 seconds.
Pops up. Number 19, pops up nga. No good. Rebound by Coster. Coster to Munoz. Nope, it's Coster again. Coster. 2 points, Coster. Easy to back-to-back field goals by Mr. Coster.
Ang oras natin,
10-8.
50 seconds.
50 seconds remaining. 10-8 ang score.
53 seconds. 47.
45 seconds.
Nilabas muna. Manabat.
Number 49.
Nope.
Wala.
Coster again. SG.
35 seconds.
35 seconds. SG.
30 seconds.
Foul.
47.
Foul number 29.
Foul number 29.
Remaining time, 27 seconds.
Coster almost lost the ball. Stepping on the line.
Patawag ko.
Benji pops up. Nope.
No good.
Palpal. Rebound battle won by White Ball.
11 seconds.
Last shot.
11 seconds.
11 seconds shot clock.
Second go, last shot.
SG.
5 seconds.
Chudelax. Melvin for 3. Malakas. And no more. First quarter ended. Lamang ng ilan po? Ano score po natin, sir? 8-10 ang score po natin at the first quarter. Lamang po ang Effort United po ng dalawa. Tayo. Mahina namin signal dito. Balik tayo sa dati natin na pwesto.
Okay, back to the ball.
Ha? Naglalag eh. Sa sulok eh. Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Finish ang ating score.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo.
Second period tayo.
Second period, second quarter, 15. Number 5, Loki. 3 points, Loki.
3 points.
Loki starting to making some merry mischief sa team Boleros.
Ating score.
Number 30,
35
Soliano. Salud. Hoy! Kickball. Last touch, the big man, Salud. Number 15 again. Adelia. 15.
Number 15.
Pops up, 3 points off, Salud ang rebound. Coster, no good. One more pan. Traveling violation.
8 minutes, 45 seconds.
8 minutes, 45 seconds, second quarter action. Number 8.
Number 8.
Pops up. No! Hindi pinasa lang. Number 30, binababa ang bola.
Number 30.
Number 30, binababa ang bola si Melvin.
Salud.
Salud.
Number number 9.
Salud. Salud, turn around. Muntik pa.
Foul number 10.
Foul number 10. Salud, shooting for 2.
Number 10, addition first. Personal foul.
First personal foul.
2 free throw yan.
2 free throw para kay Salud.
Second one.
Pops up. It's out.
First free throw, Bakal.
Second
10-11
shot.
ang ating score. 10-11.
Second shot. Jumpers ready. 8-11.
3.
Team Green lamang po. 8-11. Second shot wala. Nando Soliano. Salud. Coster. 2 points Coster.
Coach Bimolet. 4-11 ang ating score. Lamang ang puti. Number 11.
Nice. Nice drive by number 11.
Lamang po ang Boleros ng isang puntos. 13.
Pasensya na pa, wala po tayong score dito ha. Magre-rely po tayo sa committee. Maraming salamat po. Salud.
Salud to number 13.
Jomran. Salud. For 3. 3 points, Salud.
Salud.
Salud, 3 points.
15-13 ang ating score.
Loki.
7 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Back to number 5. Number 5.
Bang! Number 5.
16. 15 ang ating score. 16-15. Lamang po ang Boleros.
Boleros.
0-7 to Salud. 0-7
2 points, Belvin. Belvin, 2 points.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
15. Padilla. 15 again.
Airport United 17, Boleros 16. Number 8,
17-16. Effort United
pass to
winning
number
by 1 point.
11. In the shot.
Foul! Foul rep.
Foul number Dobora. First free throw, Bakal. Good luck. All 17 ang ating score. All 17. 6 minutes and 9 seconds.
All 17 score po natin. 6 minutes 9 remaining.
Number 85. Pass to number 9.
30.
Number 9 pass to number
30.
30. Number 30.
Malakas. Itong pinabay.
Number 8. Number 15. Binababa ang bola. Number 15. Pass to number 5.
Loki.
14 to shoot. 10.
Out of bounds.
Turnover yan. Ready na po yung 5 na papalit. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Tidlak 17 ang ating score. 0-7.
Again, Melvin. Back-to-back field goals.
19-17. 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Back kick
Backboard,
violation.
change pipe tayo.
Change pipe po tayo. Change pipe tayo. Change pipe po tayo. Second five coming up for both teams. Okay, Salud will remain. Jomran will remain. Chudilax go inside. SG and si Munoz. Kabila naman, platoon substitution po sila. Game. Jomran. Back! Back shot by Jomran.
21-17 ang ating score. 21-17 in favor of Airport United. Number 5, pass to number 13. Number 13, pass to number 11. Number 13.
Nice shot by number 16.
Tapos na tayo. Tungkol, sabi na rin.
Back.
Long to tayo, long to. Okay.
Long to lang
21-9 ng ating score. Dalawa lang. Dalamang skill sa low, sa hole. Wala. Tapik.
Foul!
Foul number 28.
Munoz called for the foul.
Foul number 28, number 28. That is your first personal foul. Score natin 21-19. Lamang po ang Airport United. Dapat basket yan. Tayo, 21 all. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Number 13, pass to number 5. Number 5 all alone. Easy basket yata number 5. James Lever, naman naman ang Boleros. Ng dalawa. Minutes and 35 seconds. Wala pa rin.
Same ball.
Same ball.
Same ball.
Number 13, pass to number 4. Wala. Kanya pa rin naman ang bola. 3 minutes. Number 77, pass to number 13. Natapitan. Number 13. Wala. SG. SG. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Titira ba? Wala. Ilaw kay number 30. Pass to number 13. Number 30, pass to number 19. Wala pa rin. Symbol.
Same ball daw, sabi referee, same ball.
Time out tayo. Time out.
Time out called. Airport
Score
United.
natin, 21-23. Lamang po ang Boleros. Time remaining, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Second quarter. Tujuan, 23 ang ating score. 21-23. Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Balik tayo, balik.
Game. Same ball. Look again. Nope. SG.
2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 14 to shoot. Number 13. Good. Rebound by number 13.
Number 13. Benji for the rebound.
Number 13, pinapabang bola.
Benji, binabantayan.
Nice pass. Tulong pass.
Look again.
Using the
Back shot to Loki.
25-21 ang ating score. Lamang po ang Boleros na naman.
Apat po lamang po ng Boleros.
SJ. Pasalon. Wala. Rebound by number 30. Pass to number 028. Number 4. short. Number 77, Lugo. Wala. Rebound by number 5. 1 minute 15 seconds. Number 19, Lugo. Using the ball. Basket niya. 27-21 ang ating score.
6.
55 seconds. Shoot.
Stepping.
Labas na po. Number 13, pinababang bola. 40 seconds. To shoot. Number 16. Oy.
Same. White ball. Represents white ball.
20 seconds. Meron tayong shot clock, ha?
Anak ng patola. Okay, balik mo sa green ball ang bola. Green ball.
20 seconds. Basta. 20 seconds yan, 20 seconds. Wala.
Foul.
13 seconds.
Shoot
Foul
it up.
number 5, first personal foul, 13 seconds.
13
1-3.
seconds. 1-3. Shoot it up.
Score
Shoot your brand.
21, 27. 10 seconds.
SG for 3.
5.
And one play pa, binigay.
Ay tinawag sa red.
Batala, pag matangkad.
Basket. Foul number 29.
Salud for the bonus free throw. Pasensya na pa, wala po tayong scoreboard po ngayon, ha.
2.9 seconds.
By nakarelate po tayo talaga fully sa committee. Salud, bonus free throw coming up.
2.9 seconds.
Pops up. Oy! Lane violation.
Bibigyan sa kabila. Pinagbabawal ng teknik yun. Yan ang pinagbabawal ng teknik. 2 seconds ha, 2 seconds.
Palpal. Okay, that's it. Coming up, third quarter action.
Score natin 23-27. Lamang ang Boleros. Score is 23-27 in favor of Boleros. 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, back to the ball tayo. At medyo gumagabi na.
Back to the ball game. Soliano for the inbound.
Ready, third quarter na tayo mga idol. Third quarter.
SG for 3. Bang!
3 points. Dito yung PlayStation.
Eric Grama, naka 3 points siya ngayon. Lamang na lang isa ang Boleros.
26-27 ang ating score.
Okay, 26-27.
Number 13. Pass to number 8. Number 13 again. Number 8. Pass to number 10. Back to number 13. Number 11. Okay, wala. Number 85. Bilis, ang bilis na number 5. Number 5, pass to number 8. Sayang. Number 11 yung pa rin. Tatlo. Wala, napakasakit no? Parang si Mark. Score, 29-28. 29-28 in favor of Boleros.
Lamang na isa pang Boleros, 29-28.
Eight minutes and 40 seconds. 40 to shoot. Number 13. Number 5. 3 points.
Rocky, 3 points.
Number 4, babawin. Wala. Rebound by number 5.
Grabe liberation call. Nice D by Mr. Soliano. Ay putik.
Yun.
Salud, 2 points.
Yun.
2 points salud.
Dalawa. 32-30. In favor of Morelos. Yan ka, 10 seconds.
What a shot.
34. Salud again. Basket yan. Hirap pantayan. Dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan ng Morelos. 34-32. 7 minutes and 3 seconds.
Foul.
Foul. First personal foul. 40 to shoot. Seconds. 5.
Out of bounds. Timeout. Boleros.
Boleros.
Boleros go for the timeout.
Score. Airport United 32. Boleros 34. Time remaining 6 minutes and 53 seconds. Back Boleros.
Third quarter action.
All coming. Bangat 3 points.
Drama,
Yes,
3
Bangat.
points.
Number 8. Dapat yan.
Palpal ni sulod ang bola.
8 seconds. To shoot 8 seconds.
Salud.
Grabe, mga takbo.
And one play pa ginawa kay Salud. Nice shot by Salud. Transition game yan ni Salud. Salud, transition game is pasok.
Oh, no sprint bro.
Salud. First shot. It's in.
Apat.
Apat.
38-34. Number Number 10, Padilla. 50 to shoot. Number 15, Lugdon.
Out of bounds. Right against the brown.
5 minutes and 50 seconds. Mag-ready na po yung magpapalit na bigos na ba ito? Wala na pa rin na. 10 seconds to shoot. 85.
3 seconds
3
violation.
seconds violation. 5 minutes and 33.
5:33 remaining.
Ito na. Number
Okay.
19. Time out! 36-38. 5 minutes and 29 seconds.
Rep, sino naman rep? Thank you. Thank you. Bulag. Bulag tayo, bulag.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
29
5:29 remaining, third quarter action. Kick ball. Kick ball.
5 minutes and 17 seconds.
Foul. Benji called for a foul.
Number 13, that is your first personal foul. First team foul
Melvin shooting for 2.
for the third quarter.
Happy birthday, Melvin. Idol. Melvin. First shot. It's in.
Well, basket.
Melvin, second shot. Jumpers ready.
Score natin, 39-36 in favor of Airport United.
Melvin, second shot. Jumpers ready. It's in. Laman ng 4 na po ang Airport United.
To shoot. There. Number 18. Wala. Malapot na bola. Goal.
Held ball. Nice hustle by Melvin. Aray.
Hey.
Okay, bola doon ng green. Green ball.
4 minutes and 35 seconds.
4 minutes and 5 remaining.
40-36.
40-36. Laman po ng 4 ang AU. Airport United. Long 2.
42-36.
Long 2 na, long 2, long 2.
4 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 8 to number 8 to wala. Kanina pa napot ang bola. Number 15. Hey! Pinasang na ng kamay. 07, wala pa rin. Forty-four, 36, 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 4 point to shoot. Ganda naman yan. Bumupo sa kapos ng ire. Walang bayad ng tubig. Kung may bayad ng tubig, nagkakape na. 15 to shoot. Wala. Ano yung pagkasalit?
Nice attack by
Teka lang.
Tudilak.
Foul number 8. Sabi na shoot. First free throw ba? Last bit yan. 45-38. Ito na. Yung lumulubo. Number 13. Wala. Ibabay number 8. Number 8. Wala pa rin.
Nice block.
Basket yan para kay
Basket
number
made.
8. 40-45 ang ating score.
40-35 ang score po natin.
40 seconds. Tap.
Dark
Tap
ball.
na siya, Brett.
Green ball, green ball. Loki papasok na yung kanilang birador.
45-40 ang ating score. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Number 5. Pass to number 8. Wala. Darot. Uy, masyadong mataas. Para sa iyo, pass mo.
Too much pass.
Third quarter tayo. 45-40 ang ating score. 2 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 15. Pass to number 18. Number 18. Long two. Wala. Ay, babasa. Pass to number 77. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Jumran. Good. One minute and 30 seconds. Number 13. Number 18.
Foul.
Foul number 28. Number 28. Second personal foul. Remaining time, 1 minute and 21 seconds. 1 minute and 21 seconds. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Basket. Sayang, open sana. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 5, yes sir! Dalawa na lang, 45-43.
Tabla. Para
40 seconds.
nice deep by Tudilak.
Basket.
Tabla, tabla, tabla.
Itlak. 16 seconds. 10 seconds.
Bang! Munoz, 3 points. Wala na. Fourth quarter action start.
Labang sila. Yan, stop. Yan, Airport, United, 48, Boleros, 45. Okay, back to the game. United goal, United. Okay. Ay, bawal na kita sa red. Bawal ng Western Rulong. And to shoot. Number 19. Por pa rin yan. Seconds to shoot. Talo.
2 shots, 2 points, salud.
Score natin
15-45, 50-45, laman na 5 po ang AU.
4 minutes and 50 seconds. 3-1. Parang kabilangan. Time out.
Time out called by Boleros called for a timeout. Boleros, isa na lang po timeout sa fourth quarter and still lamang pa rin po ang AU Airport United. Pasensya na po, wala po tayong score doon.
52-45. 52-45 ang ating score. Okay, back to the game.
Back to the ball game. Ano?
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Ball game. Ball game. Padilla.
Number 10.
Loki. Dang! Loki, sinasabi, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Tumitira pa ako. Chudilax. Soliano. Chudilax. Chudilax for 3. Nope. Sulod ng rebound. Sulod for 3. Bang! Sulod, gumaganti-gaga, pamatay sunog. Loki still to Benji again for 3.
Number 10, babawi.
Bang! Benji for 3. Benji 3 points.
Kailangan ng tayo. Hindi mo rin
Soriano.
stress.
Custer. Salud.
Babawi.
SG for 3. Nope, ayaw niya. Pero ayan si Soriano. Bang! Soriano. Umuulan po ng tres ngayon. Magkapote po tayo. Eto na po tayo ngayon. Si Benji naman. Tusubok. Ayaw niya. Drive lang daw. Malakas. Chudelax.
Ito.
Setting the pace.
Number 77.
Chudelax. Oh!
Nag-raise na yung ball on your hand. Carrying the ball.
Lifting ball. Lifting. Lifting violation.
Sabi na sunod.
Okay, si
Okay.
16 labas muna para kay number 8. Loki, nananalasan na naman yung kanyang 3 points. Bumabanat na naman siya. Benji also, dahil isabay na rin.
Number 5.
Ayun! Kay number 19. Ang ganda ng pass na yun.
Lima lang, lima.
5.
53 ang ating
Soriano.
7 minutes remaining in the fourth and final.
Soriano, Tocho Deluxe. Soriano again.
Number 5. Pass to number 4. Number 4.
3 points.
4.
Ayun, balik mo nito.
Nagpayong tayo. Number 8, babawi, okay. Wala.
Hop! White ball.
Natin na siya, Brett.
Melvin, pasok muna para kay Jace, kay Soliano. Quality minutes kay Mr. Jason Soliano. Very quality minutes pa sa kanya. Back-to-back 3 points ang pinakawalan ng bata. Custer to Chudelax.
Number 77.
Chudelax.
77. Pass na number 4.
SG Drama. No.
Wala.
Melvin.
Nakakuha pa ng foul. Talaga naman.
Aray. Melvin. 2 shots given.
Number 13, that is your second personal foul.
Nadera, 2 shots given. First shot. It's out.
Bata.
Second shot, jumper's ready. Second free throw, jumper's ready po tayo. Pops up. Nope. Chudelax, what a rebound. Good ball. And green ball. Dark ball.
Number 13. Pass to number 5. Perfect to shoot. Number 8. No good.
Labas.
Number 77. 61. 53 ang ating score. Kaya naman kayo po. Masisira yung tuhod. Number 11, no good. No good. Rebound by number 01. 40 to shoot. 4.
Dalawa na yan.
In 45 seconds. Number 8.
And one play pa.
Number 8.
Number 8, 2 points plus and one play.
61-65 in favor of Airport United.
AU, Airport United, 61-65. Now for 62-65. Lamang na ng tatlo buli ang Airport United.
Four minutes and 35 seconds. Oster. Munti ka na. Hoy! Natalawahan. Talon. Shoot. Number 18. Uy, tingnan na. Number 13.
Uy!
In and out. Number 8.
Nice block by Chudilac.
Wala na. Hindi talaga magkahabol.
Wait.
3 minutes and 25 seconds.
2 minutes 35
3
remaining.
minutes and 20 seconds.
2 minutes and 20 remaining.
Score 61-56 in favor of Airport United. Number 18, no goal.
Malakas.
No goal. Number 8. 5%.
Naubos ang bala.
10%.
2 points.
Tatlo. 61-58. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 4. Number 11. Tahi na basket. Hey! Ayaw. Ayaw pumasok. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Talon. Wala. Bumaba yung basa. Number 13. Number 13. Pass number 5. Back to number 13. To number 18. Wala. Iba by number 77. Last 2 minutes.
2 points, Melvin.
Time out. Time out. 63.
63-55. Lamang ng 8 ulit ang AU.
2 minutes, 2 minutes. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Airport United, may dalawa pa kayong time out. Tuliros, wala na. Okay, back to number 1. 14? 14? 24. Saan sila? Sa Newton? Paklolo? Okay, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining.
A minute and 58 remaining. 14 seconds na ginamit ng Boleros.
Okay, 14 seconds yung clock, ha?
Boleros po 14 second shot clock. Boleros.
10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Okay, number 11 shooting for 2.
Remaining time.
Hindi pala.
Okay, 14 seconds ulit. Wala.
It's a ball.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
And one play pa binigay kay Custer. Custer and one play given. Number 1, Custer shooting for 2.
Basket. 1 minute and 15 seconds.
1 minute 15 remaining.
1 minute and 28 seconds.
Pop shot,
Remaining time.
no good.
Score natin 65-58.
Counted yun.
Okay. Clear.
Sige.
Number 13. Oh.
No good. Ay!
Okay, sa aplikasyon. Pasok.
Okay, Caster, good game. Nilabas na muna siya. Number 19 again for 3. Nope.
Wala pa rin.
Salud.
Tayo may salud. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
A minute and 9 remaining.
Aplikasyon.
SG.
Hey!
Jomran stole the ball. Whoop! Out of bounds.
Basket, right? Fifty na seconds ha, ilan na lang tayo manalo.
Chudilax.
May trabaho pa bukas.
Chudilax. Salud.
40 seconds. Number 30.
Jomran.
No. Rebound by number 11. Pass to number 30 to number
Loki.
5. Number 5 is the
Loki, 2 points.
Number 5.
2 points, Loki. Eric.
Seconds. Ingat
20
na lang mga
seconds
boss.
remaining.
Ingat na lang. 20 seconds na lang tayo.
Chudilax. Uy! One more time. Chudilax.
Basket.
2 points, Chudilax.
67. Okay, congratulations.
Okay, that's it. Final po is, hindi ko na alam. Patay po kasi. Congratulations for winning the ball game, Team Airport United. Anong score? Final score, sir? Final score 67-60, winner by 7 points. Good picture. Group picture. 60. Oy, group picture. Balance. Thank you. Okay, final score 67-60. Winner by 7 points, Airport United. Win number 2, nakuha nila ngayon. 2-1 na sila kakata nila ngayon. Okay, sino po ang POG? Salud ang kanilang POG. Salud for the POG. Okay, Salud. Mabilisan tayo. Fast talk lang. Salud. Papangisan na sa laba talaga. Masyadong sila kanina. Yung mainit na mainit talaga.
Oo, talagang ina-expect na namin yun. Kaya relax lang kami. Tapos, ayun, intense kami. Tapos, takbo, tinakbo.
Nung huli talaga, nakuha nyo yung rhythm nyo talaga.
Oo.
Okay, Salud. Sige, para lumalalim mo sa'yo. 1 minute, shoutout po. Sige po.
Shoutout sa Airport United at
Okay.
sa bumubuo ng ligang to at sa lahat ng mga taga-subaybay ng liga na.
Okay. Sige.
That's it. God bless.
Okay, thank you again. Again, winner by 7 points, Airport United. Kaway na lang po, sir. Kaway. Thank you po, thank you, and God bless. Again, next week muli po tayo sa ating Doha Friend League, aka the Titos and Titas League. Maraming salamat, and God bless. Thank you.